All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build Break and Fix. Of course, to everyone who's new here, we are a chorus. That means we are a team of three developers from Melbourne, Australia, and we've been working on a project which relates to adding persistent storage to a current open source project, which is called Scrambler CA. We've been working on stacks which revolve Express.js as our backend. We've been trying to deploy our application on AWS, which is essentially the cloud vendor which you're using. We've been using Postman to test out our APIs and GitHub to manage our code base. And right now, we've been using in just pure JS and HTML, CSS to create a front end magically. So, how are you feeling today, guys?
Very good. Did you guys enjoy the a lot of vitamin D today? The natural source of it.
Oh, yeah, for
Yes,
sure.
yeah, it's really good. Good sun. Went to the beach.
Hmm.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's always as in good as in relaxing and giving yourself a mental and a physical break, which is always great.
Yeah.
So, can we turn off our messaging app in order not to
Hmm.
get distracted?
Yeah.
Cool, perfect. So just to give a bit of a background on what happened on Saturday is we went ahead and um, did so we made a bit of a progress on inserting of the notes, which meant that we inserted the hard-coded values, and the plan for today is to insert those values, which is the text for notes and the board ID dynamically. So it just goes as a seamless procedure. Do you have anything to add to that, Tanesh?
No, not just. I was looking at the code earlier, and just really excited to get started. Be good fun.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, welcome, Gakdev. Good to have you. Our Giza gang is finally here, completed.
Right.
Cool, cool. So Hector, I don't really want to spoil the mug, but just me having it on the camera. I want us all to have it at the same time. So when I organize linkings with Ken Tanesh and pass them all the mugs, I want us free to show it as in at once as a team. So that's my plan, and hope you don't mind. But yeah, the mugs are pretty cool, uh, as a present from Yagdev to us three.
I think I know I think I know what it is.
Yeah, you must know what is, but just for now, keep it to yourself. Right. So before I forget, I need to do the acknowledgements to the country. Um,
Yeah.
right, here we go. So I'll begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respects to the elders, past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. All right,
Hmm.
fantastic. Um, cool. So welcome to the new viewer. Good to have you.
How do you pronounce
Uh,
his name?
Yeah, I was a bit confused on that.
Yeah, I don't even know how to pronounce it, man. So I'm not, I'm not really gonna pronounce it.
Sin.
Um,
Let's call him Sin.
We can just call him Sin. Yeah.
okay,
Or them. Yeah.
cool. Sin, good to have you, mate. Welcome.
Hmm.
Right, cool. So, Dinesh, do you want to share your screen today?
Yeah, sure. Sounds
Hmm.
good. Um, can you guys see my screen?
And now we
Yes.
can. So we have actually created a new branch. Did you get that one?
Let me see.
So probably just do a. You probably haven't.
Not this one. Insert notes.
Ah, okay. Then I lied.
I think we created that the other day on the stream, Zane. You and I.
Was it with you and Kartik or you and me? Okay, I'm gonna get really confused now because you guys might start as in alternate days very soon. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to keep on track of what I did with whom. So that'll be really good. Cool.
All right. Let's. So, what I got from here was that you guys um, added an alert, right, to check the added an alert to see when the card was being created, and also added a hard coded
Yeah.
value into the database.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
Um,
So all we probably need to actually forge on today with is to the hard coded values we did. We need to convert them as into dynamic, so everything goes in the database or whatever the value is.
okay.
Mhm.
Sure. Let's see where that was.
What are the devs in board the coders team doing today? Just to correct you on that, GagDev is raw coders, not ball coders, which is a really funny one, but yeah. So majority of the code is from the original project, as in the who's actually the owner of Scrambler.ca is that's his code, but we're just alternate we're just altering this code to add our enhancement. Right. So wait. Okay. So you know where it says the next text and board ID is hard coded.
Yep.
Um, we need to somehow enclose the text when it's written on the note that into a variable, and they use that variable in place of the text. So I'm just thinking how we will accomplish that.
Okay. The way I was thinking, Zane, was is we add the functionality save, like a new function in this script.js. And then when the button is clicked, then it will run that function to save the board notes. Would that be? Yeah, that's along the lines I was thinking.
Yes, it will be in that way, but we also have to consider that each note is associated to that particular board.
Okay. All right.
So, which means
Hmm.
that when we click the save button, it will save the board completely in, but in the board's object, the notes will already be present.
Mm-hmm.
So that would probably be the second step that we need to approach. But as in starting from scratch, we would have to figure out a way of enclosing the text that comes on the note that in a variable
Hmm.
after it's been as in written down.
Hmm.
Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Yep. That
Yeah.
makes sense. So I'll just for clarification.
Yeah.
Okay. So say we're on here. Um, oh, hold on. Down here, we basically once we finish typing, you're saying that it should save or post.
Can uh, you know the step when you when the alert came, was there anything written on the alert itself or not?
That was just
Yeah,
created note or something. Pretty sure.
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah. No, I added an extra alert just before just to try, but it's just the card ID. I was thinking we could use that somehow to for the when we're creating this functionality.
Right, right, right. I see what you mean. Card ID is basically generated by itself when the notes get inserted in the DB,
Okay.
which uses GUID v4. I don't know if you know about these GUIDs.
No, not really.
Right. So GUIDs are basically a unique number, unique identifier which gets generated as in randomly but automatically.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
All right. So is it this one's it? This ID is different, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
That's different. Yeah.
Yeah, that's just for the front end.
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Why
Yeah.
aren't you adding these details to your Jira ticket? That's a really good question. I did add as in the overall task that we had to do in Jira. But I guess that I need to dedicate a bit more time than what I'm doing at the moment to add these kind of small details. I will keep in mind that. Okay, thanks for pointing that out. Right. So um, I'm just thinking that how can we capture that whatever we write on the text
Mhm.
um, on the sticky note
Hmm.
in a variable.
The variable. Hmm.
I mean, that shouldn't be that hard. It's just in the text as a string.
Yes, well, when if you remember that that method is being only called when we click that button, which means it's always been called when we create it. So, do you mean to say, okay, that when we write something on the sticky note, that text is already being stored in the text variable, is it?
Um, Wait. So when you do a off click, right? You on click on that note and you do off click. Where's the text going? Like, can you try displaying that text after an off click?
Yeah, I get what you mean. Um, let's see.
Like, surely there's an update card, or I don't know what it's called here.
Create. Uh, then I probably search for update and it might show up. Update columns? No, don't need that one. Update columns? No.
Oh, comes again.
Update.
Up.
Is it just update columns there?
Yeah, it seems
Line
like
56.
maybe off. I don't know. Let's see.
Kill card off.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
This would be a cal card off. Can you search for the thing text? That's all. Just want to see wherever text is being taken.
Yeah,
Okay, this is in create. Yep, that's create the card.
Oh, it might be in draw new card.
Yeah.
And then, so it's stored in the array, probably. In the cards
Oh,
array.
true. Good point.
Maybe try displaying the cards right as it is.
Card array. Okay, let me try.
Oh, also update on the Swagger stuff. If anyone's interested, I was able to do it.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah,
this? Sorry?
Sorry. Oh yeah. So I was given this task by my employer to generate API docs like in automated way.
Okay.
So Nest.js was throwing some problems with it being old or I don't know, but yeah, I was just able to fix that. So yeah.
Awesome. Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Nice.
Yeah. Getting back. Sorry.
I know. Good job, man. As in, I always love to hear these kind of achievements because it just reminds me of nothing is impossible. There's always a way.
Yeah.
So well done, man. Yeah, cool.
Oh my days! I did mute my phone. 1 second. Sorry.
Should we console log here?
Probably do it after the array has been filled up. So outside of the for loop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do card array actually.
Let's try this.
Yeah, okay, that's right.
Don't. Yeah, cool. Perfect. Not okay. That's fine. Yeah, don't worry about that one. Not right. So it's not displaying. Hang on. Uncheck the message pool closed before the response was. Did you close this and reopen it from home?
Oh no, I didn't actually.
Okay, cool.
Let's do that.
Try to be incognito.
Okay. Sure. Yeah, Gekdev, that's a good question. What achievements have I had lately? I don't know, nothing really. Over the weekend, I was trying to work on this problem been having at work, but still no resolution.
Nice one.
Hold on, my screen's frozen.
Oh,
Give me one
right.
sec.
Nice background though.
That's annoying. Hold on, I don't know why. Give me a sec. Let me try to.
There we go.
Is that
Yeah.
working? Hold on. Let me stop sharing, man.
We can't see your screen anyways, so that's good.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Nope. Have you pressed share?
No, my computer's frozen. Hold on.
Oh,
I'll rejoin the stream.
okay.
Sorry, guys.
Cool. No problem. Syndicate. Okay, Sin, that's good to
Technical
know.
issue.
Yeah, cool, man. No problem.
There you go. You have him back.
Do we have him back? He's not moving on my screen.
Maybe he's playing red light, green light,
Oh,
as in Squid Games. Oh, you haven't watched Squid Games.
no,
Oh,
I haven't.
time to be cultured.
I've got more important things to do than man, as into
When being
watch this
cultured.
game. Than being properly, as in not cultured, I would say.
Nice.
All right. Seems that he's on lockdown and then he's gonna come back in. He's already got the access, so that shouldn't really be a problem.
Mhm.
How's your day been, Kartik?
Pretty good. I went for a board ride.
A board
Oh,
ride.
yeah, so I have an electric skateboard, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So there was like a whole ride which people organized today.
I
Um,
see.
Started at 11:30 and we've been riding till 6:30.
Are they that durable? As in the battery life of them?
And I charged like at least 3 times in the middle.
Ah,
But
okay, cool.
yeah, I reckon I completed like around 80 to 90 kilometers on my skateboard today.
Wow. Wow. So that's your achievement, according to Kagdev.
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty tiring, not gonna lie. Like,
Hmm.
super duper duper tiring.
Wow. As in just
Yeah.
standing and moving for 6 hours.
And my
That's hard,
board
man.
only has like one wheel on it. So it becomes like super duper harder.
So your skateboard only has one wheel in the middle.
Yeah. With
Wow.
Have you heard of
Wow.
them? It's
No,
called one wheel only actually.
I have. Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
thought there were only four wheels, skateboards, as in the
Maybe
proper one.
try googling it. Just try
Hmm.
googling one
Might
wheel.
do. Might do. Mhm. Wow, that must be really exhausting, as in
Yeah.
making sure you have the proper balance all the
Oh
time.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
That's pretty cool.
Mm.
Oh, sorry, guys. My I don't know why, but my computer crashed. So
That's all right. That's technology that happens.
all right. Let me see. Create card. Okay. Oh, we should start from home. Actually, that's my bad.
Right. So is this still not doing anything? As in not displaying it? No.
No. It's not.
So it might not happen over there then when we create. Or I'm thinking that that mechanism might not be in place in the first place. But I might be wrong as well, because when we select the same board again, all the notes are already there. Dinesh, if you wanna close the this as an incognito and then reopen that and try and access the same board again.
Okay. I was thinking, Zain, so you know how this was using Redis before, right? To save
Yeah.
it. Um,
Redis.
has like
Was he
a
using Redis?
What? Where did Redis come from?
Is yeah, that's what I asked Dinesh, as in, was it? Because I'm not aware of it being using any persistent kind of thing. And Redis is a data warehousing tool.
okay. I thought it was using it was using some sort of caching, right, to save
Yeah,
the
yeah,
notes.
yeah.
So if we can find that in the code, can't we, you know, alter the code so that we can save it in our persistent storage? Just a thought.
That's exactly what I was gonna say after checking if those notes are still there when we access the
Okay.
same board. Yeah.
Yeah.
So just going baby steps,
Yeah.
taking baby steps.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. But
Okay, it was ZT1, isn't it? Yeah. Go.
okay.
Aha.
Interesting.
So that doesn't
Hmm.
appear on there. Because I was expecting to. I was expecting those notes to show up here, if or maybe it's because we are doing it locally. That's why.
Yeah, could be. Could be.
Hmm.
Right. Okay, so all we need to do is find um is find where's the text, as in when we click on when we make a text, where does it come up? So draw, and can you go into
Yeah.
draw new card method?
Draw new card.
Yeah. Create card, move card, new card, proposition. Can you go to move card?
Move card. Okay. Move card. Let's go to that function actually. Move card.
Card animate, that one, card, and so so that's just adding animation, basically.
What is stored in a card actually? Should we see that? Do you guys already know?
Have a look. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Car is an object, right? Though?
Yeah.
Sometimes hate that JavaScript is so loosely created.
Oh, what do you mean?
Like, you know how this is loosely created, right? Like, card is an object. Yeah, yeah. Well, what kind of object? It is
Yeah,
just it's just an object.
yeah, yeah.
It's so much
Hmm.
more easier in things like C++ when everything's more tightly made.
True.
Mm,
True.
true.
I guess that's the part where we're gonna come back to it and polish the front end a bit after the MVP is all happy.
Hmm. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
until we don't use anything like not involving JS, then we really can't do that. But I mean, yeah, if we go ahead and do it in TS, that should be good enough.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Cool. So that's still not,
still not showing up here.
or maybe
Mhm.
it's not really storing the text anywhere. It's just there to display on the card, but because it no, I find it hard to convince myself when I make the argument
Mhm.
because it's already it's backed up by cache.
Yeah, it is. Should we? I was thinking maybe
Mhm.
it could be like a save or something. They've
Yeah,
added it
try that.
here. You can save
Save.
or
Edit
send
text.
directly to your server.
Here you can save content. What was it there? Yeah, do that probably. That would be more like it.
Like here. Okay, let's have a look. So console log this content, right? Is what you're saying.
Yes, please. If that one is there. So if the content. So it's doing something really interesting in the if statement at line 1 9 or whatever that is.
This.
Yeah, the if statement. So saying basically if the content is there,
Oh
then
yeah.
then go in that method. If you go in that method, what does it do? Just to go to definition. It's easier.
Oh, how do you do that, by the way?
Right click.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there we go. There we go. Action
Mhm.
is I'm always admiring this guy's very meaningful variables. Honestly, he's the
Yeah.
best. I need to learn
Like the what
from him a lot.
eighth times Zen said that in last 3 days.
It's making a lot more sense, As in, as soon as we see the
Yeah.
variable, we're like, okay, this is exactly what it's supposed to be doing.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Wow.
Maybe he just wanted to make this like encoded so that no one else understands it except him.
Probably, yeah, that could be one reason. Action. Okay, so he basically means A for action and D for data. Wow,
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah, imagine like a script in which all the variables name are like A to Z, and then like A1, A2, A3. That's all the variable
Uh,
names. Yeah.
all right. Is he using the message anywhere?
Should we? Oh, good point. Oh,
Because
yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
yeah.
using the message anywhere.
Look at
Socket.
this line. Socket.io. Yeah.
So it's
Should we see
s-
this maybe?
yeah. Go for it.
All right, let's just have a look at that. I think. Set username. Okay.
Record. Oh, here we go. So it does come in there. Create card. Move card. Edit card. So how is the cycle going? So it comes on create card, move card, and then edit card.
Yeah.
Can you make another one, an other note? Oh,
Oh.
sorry, back there.
Yep. Sure.
Because I'm observing there's a cycle
Yeah.
going on.
Hmm.
So you created the card, and now you're in move card. If you type in something, it goes into edit card.
Edit
And
card.
type in again. No, type in. Are you typing in? Yes, you are. So it's taking one word as one time. 4, because you've created 4 words, 5 words, 6 words. See the number in front of the edit card?
Yeah. True.
It's
Hmm.
taking the
Yeah.
one number as one word.
Hmm.
Okay, so we need to go into edit card and see what's happening there.
Hmm.
Yeah. Cool. Zane, actually, could we maybe let's try console log the D as well? Actually.
Okay. That's a
Yeah,
good idea.
that's true. Okay.
I like this arrow thing.
Set username unknown.
Create card. Create object. Object.
Create edit card object.
Object.
So what did you console.log after A?
This D.
Okay, put a JSON.stringify in front of D, as in front. So JSON.stringify in brackets D. Yeah. Now let's try it. It should bring out the content now.
Cool. All right. Awesome. Let's do that.
Good man.
Oh,
Data is unknown. Okay. Create card.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, you've done that, and now type in.
Yep.
And you've typed in test, isn't it? Okay, white. Okay. Move the card around. Dinesh.
Oh, wow. Okay.
He's frozen again.
Frozen to next time.
Frozen Dinesh time. That's an interesting way to put it. Here we go.
sorry, my internet.
Yeah, your internet froze and our Tanesh froze as well.
All right, let's see. Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh, that looks good. Text.
Yeah,
Very nice.
text.
So edit card is the function.
Seems like it. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
Jason, can you hear us?
It's not charging. Why is it not charging? Hello?
Hey, Zane.
You
Yep.
guys, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes,
Can
we
you guys
can
hear
hear
me?
you. Yeah.
Yep.
Can you hear us?
I can't hear any one of you. What's happening to my audio? This is probably. Hello?
Hello. Yep.
Here we go. Yeah, I can hear you now. Right, so how we looking there? He did the data. Hello. Lovely. I'm liking this now.
Yeah.
So basically it's in the value.
Mhm.
So data. So d dot value we need to access. Go back finish, as in the code place. Do a d dot value.
Zane, can you switch your mic? Actually, it sounds like you're underwater. Yeah.
Underwater Zen time.
Hello.
Hello.
Yoo-hoo. Can you
Yeah,
hear
that's
me?
better. Yeah,
There
we
we
can hear
go.
you. That's better.
Yep.
Perfect. Alright, so we are actually getting the value now as well, which is fantastic. And that's exactly what we needed. So basically the value is being accessed in the edit card, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think what we might need to do is call the method that we are calling from create card in edit card function instead.
True. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. In saying that,
Mm-hmm.
would we add it somewhere here, like because this looks like a save functionality, right?
Just give me a moment. I'm just charging my iPad.
Yeah, sure.
That's important during the stream. Cool. Perfect. Editable. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we can actually add our post note function over here.
I think it might be good to
Mhm.
try, but we should also try
Yeah.
the both functions, I think.
Yes, we can. How about if we place the post note function underneath, as in underneath the if statement and
This thing.
before the action?
All right. Yeah, sounds good. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. All right.
So if you want to go down,
Yeah.
it's always good to type in the code instead of
Sure.
copy and paste.
Yeah.
So press enter, and type in here. So it's post note, open brackets, and you would access that with JSON dot stringify, and then open and close brackets. I'll let you decide over here what to
I don't
call.
know. Belly.
Data. I think that might not work, but yeah, let's give it a try. And then just keep the board as hard coded for now. I want to go step by step.
Cool. Let me just find the.
Do Control F on post note.
Okay. Oh, good point. Yes. Better.
Enter. Here we go.
Why do you think that might not work, by the way, is it?
Because if you see the data that was present in the data variable in the other method where we are saving it, it doesn't have the value property of the data. So on line
Oh,
1016, that's why. And I'm just thinking I could be wrong here, so we have to try that.
okay. Yeah, that's a good point. All right.
Cool. Let's try this and see if it does anything. This
It's giving the warning as well, like you mentioned.
does no. The property does not. Value does not. Okay, right. In that way. So if you go to send action,
Send action.
what's
Oh,
maybe we can just place a post note here.
okay. Yep. We can. It feels like it'll call it too often, though, in my opinion. But we can try.
Yes,
for now.
it will call it. Right. I see what you mean there. So every time we write a word, it will just insert a note. Right.
Yeah,
Mhm.
exactly. That might just populate too much.
Right. Can you go where the thing was? Move card. Where you placed it initially.
Yeah, sure. On the save.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Just trying to think. Check what other properties come in the data object. I think it should be item and text only.
Could we try text actually? Maybe we should
Yeah.
console log text.
Let's try that.
Console log text. Maybe.
So data.text.
Mm-hmm.
Just say.
Good man. Okay, data undefined. Yeah, that's fine. It would be undefined now. Type in
Let's see. No,
test. Data is text. Move card data undefined. So it's coming. Okay, so it is coming. So did you also have the data, the console in the send action method as well? Because I've
Yeah.
got a feeling it might be picking up from there.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, right. In that case, do you wanna write more than one word?
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good point. Let's try that. That's a good point.
Okay, cool. That would make sense a lot. So that the data in the send action takes the value of one note. As in, wherever you write in one note, it will consider that as
Yeah.
one data, if you want to say that. Does that make sense, Flash?
A little bit confused as what you mean.
So you know how you have typed in hello text 123?
Mhm.
As in every note you're creating, no matter how much text is on that particular note,
Mhm.
the text will be stored in the data value, as in data value, whatever's on that particular note itself. If it's 15 words, hi, my name is Tanesh. If it's we are raw coders, we are I wanted to make a funny comment, but that would be really inappropriate on the stream. But
Hmm.
yeah. So essentially, what I'm saying is, you know how you've got the text on OneNote,
Yeah.
as in
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
it's test on the
Oh.
first one, and then hello text box or hello text 1 2 3 on the second one, the data value is taking the text on a single note.
Yeah. Yeah. I get
Hmm.
what you mean.
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. I get
So
exactly what you mean.
so um so can you go back in the send action function? I just want to check
Sure.
that if the console is being called over there as well.
Yeah. Sure. Go to it.
Go and if you want to remove this console, the both of them
Both of them. Okay.
basically.
Mhm.
All right. All right. And then.
Yeah,
Hmm.
just run it because I want to make sure that we are getting the value from the save function, not the send action.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
We should put this inside the if though, right?
Hmm.
Yes, correct.
Cool.
Uh, hydration time, guys.
You guys have a time for
Hydration.
is it a set time?
No,
You guys have
I was just thirsty, so I made a call. Hydration time. All right, let's have a look. What do we have in store here? Okay, hello. Ah. So that was only coming from the send action, not the save function. Interesting. All right, let's get rid of the console in the save function
okay.
and call the post note in the send action.
Oh,
Call
yeah.
the post. Yep, sure. Yep, can do. Zane, isn't this calling send action as well though? It is.
Yeah, you're right there. So we can probably do a console underneath the send action. Yeah,
Okay.
Hmm.
and we can try that as well. See if that works. Good
Okay.
call, Tanesh.
Thanks. Should we just do data or data text?
Do both. As in
I like.
data text and data.
Oh, actually, this should be. I shouldn't put this inside, or I should be outside. The
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
100%. That's true. Good catch.
Attention to detail is improving. Tanesh, well done. I need to catch up now.
Maybe you guys need another TT match.
TT match. What's that?
Table tennis match.
Oh yeah, true.
I'm gonna lose again for sure.
No,
No way.
did you win one match?
I think you
Sam?
did, yeah.
Yeah, but man, if I play against the Nash, which is the Snar Freehead, then I'm gonna definitely lose.
No, I would hardly play. I mean, I
Guess
think
we'll,
Kartik plays heaps though.
guess we'll need to have like a competition to know.
Yeah, true. Right, guys,
Yeah.
I'm really conscious of time, and I'm
Yeah.
trying to finish this as in this step, as in to get dynamic text for notes in this session. So I really
Hmm.
want to get this over with.
I think we're really
Okay.
close.
Yeah, we're nearly there, which
Mhm.
is good. So that's not doing anything, is it?
No, not doing anything.
Oh boy.
Right. Do you want to go back in the thing?
Yeah.
In the code? I just want to check where. Oh, um, JSON stringify data text. Maybe just do data. Oh, so when I meant console.log both, I meant the data text and a separate console.log for data. I should have been precise on that.
Oh,
That's my bad.
you mean just like this?
Oh, no, so you know how you've got the console.log for data.text, that entire line, but remove text from it.
Oh, okay. Yep, it makes sense. So,
Yeah, there we go. Text. Just want to check what do we get in there and if it even comes down to that path.
okay. So,
No? Okay.
Oh
So
boy.
it has to be in send actual. Let's just put the post note over there. And then what we might need to do is change the functionality of send action to have all the notes text. And then press save.
okay. Right. Let's do that then. I'll just comment this out. Sorry.
Cool. Post note.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
That's
Mhm.
alright. Happens. So JSON stringify, yeah. And then d dot, yeah, here we go. Perfect. Value, and then just hard code a board ID for now. I'm not really fussed about that at the moment. Just have to make sure that the no text is inserted dynamically. And you might need to make the function async and then await in front of post note, because
Okay.
post notes
Oh
is
yeah.
async function itself.
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, thanks to Yagdev and Chori. Good lesson learned.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure. Yes. Better than the sleep we had.
Yeah, true. All right, yeah, let's go and test this and see if the value gets inserted in the database. I'll check in Postman. Can you just send me the ID Panesh in the private chat?
Yeah, sure thing.
Postman.
Pete, what monitor do you have, Tanesh? Like how big is it?
27 inch.
And what monitor is it?
ViewSonic something. I don't know. But yeah, I quite like it.
Nice.
I don't know
Yourself?
why.
What one do you have?
Why is it saying this? Why is it saying this? Why is it saying this?
What monitor do you have, Kay?
Philips Brilliance 328p.
320.
32 inch.
Nice, big one.
When I'm pressing Postman, is coming up as Postman Pat. Watch series, and I'm no, I don't want to watch it. Okay, never mind. Apple TV is getting on me. Okay, so right. So what's that saying? Uncode type error, failed to fetch. Right, that should be the okay. That's the cause error that we are experiencing
Oh
again.
boy. Very nice.
Were you guys able to did this work last time? Sorry, say the in create. I mean, did this one work, by the way?
Yes, it did work. Right. But that shouldn't really matter. Because I was thinking that I might have whitelisted only the server which takes in 000 blah blah 8,000, but you're choosing a different server.
No, we configure cores for every. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I didn't really get shocked on that one. I'm thinking. Okay, how about if where is this being called?
This one?
Yeah, can you check?
This one is
Create
create.
okay. So if we remove this, comment it out.
Okay. All right. Sure. I thought maybe we can I just want to try it, to be honest, and see if that is showing up.
Right. Yeah, we can try that one, and then we can come back to the other one afterwards. So we probably want. Okay, we can try this one first.
Okay. And then I'll just comment the other one out for now.
Cool. Yeah. Async. Wait. Yeah, that's fine.
I'll take this off for now.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so it did say the note has been inserted. So I'm just why can't I don't want to watch Postman Pat. Let me open Postman. That's all I need. Okay, fine. I'm gonna go in another way.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just opening the Postman to see if the note has come in.
Yeah. But you want me to check? Mine is open.
Cool. If you can, but mine's all open.
Okay.
Actually.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. I'll just check it. Don't worry.
Mhm.
Oh, which one was it? Which one was it? Which one was it? Come on, come on, come on. Open up, open up. Get a board. I need this board. Cool. Okay, yes, here. Okay, so did we? Okay, so the text. Wow. Okay, so it's the hard coded one is working pretty good. That's fine. So
Mhm.
if you can finish, comment out the hard coded one.
Right. That's interesting.
And uncomment the one in send action. Post note. Sync. There might be another problem, but I'll come back to that afterwards. Let's run this.
Okay. Um,
Access to fetch.
Oh wow.
Same thing.
Cores all the way. Didn't we just have the same error a few days ago? Try starting it from Python server, Tanesh.
oh, I don't have that installed.
You probably don't need it. You can just run it as Python
Yeah.
minus m simple HTTP
I mean,
because we
sure,
didn't. Yeah.
surely you have Python, right? So if you have Python, that should be fine.
A Mac. So
Python minus
Mac.
n
Yeah. Mac
minus
has.
n. No, no, no.
Okay.
Control C this. Exit, sorry, exit. Control D. Okay. Yeah, EOF.
Control T.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now, yeah, Python minus M, simple HTTP,
M
M
Oh, M.
for Mike.
language.
M for Mike.
Yep, H capital HTTP. Server S capital. Everything else small, and wait, 1 sec, and S capital of simple as well.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's all. Enter. Yep.
There we go.
Oh, it's already.
Now,
Yeah, just go to port
open the
now.
browser.
Yep.
And then do a 0.0.0.0 colon 8000.
Yeah, 8,000. Yeah.
And then the page name as well, home.html.
Alright. Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Boo.
See.
Come on, please don't give us the cause thing again.
Course thing.
Try continue. Type in
Okay.
test.
We should probably call it an
inserted. Note inserted. Hang on. I think
It's another name. That's true.
promising.
Let's have a look actually. See if you see this one.
Oh, right. So we have actually got create card as a topic. Did you type that or not?
That was the hard coded one, Sen. The from before. Yeah.
Right.
Is the API working on Postman? I might just check it myself.
It's the what?
No, never mind, nothing.
I mean, it should.
Yeah.
It should work right because the function is working.
Okay. You can probably call it a night today. It's already time.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Already.
Exactly.
I lost track of time. My bad.
Get carried away.
Yeah, easily in programming.
Yeah, true.
Alrighty.
Cool.
Good. GG.
Do you want to do the closing finish? Oh,
Sure.
we need to get used to the closing as well. So,
100.
yeah.
All right, sounds good. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Build Break and Fix. Today we're trying to post a note dynamically, so that it can save in the database. Yeah, making good progress, getting there slowly, steadily, but yeah, surely. All right, guys. Yeah, so we'll catch you tomorrow for another episode, same time.
Same place.
Same task.
That's the one. Right,
Alrighty.
guys. Have a good
Good
night and see you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
See you
Same
tomorrow,
time.
guys.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.